How to send money on Apple Pay. A step-by-step guide. Apple Pay makes it easy to send money to friends and family directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Whether you're splitting a bill, paying someone back, or sending a gift, Apple Pay is a secure and convenient way to transfer money. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you understand how to send money using Apple Pay. Setting up Apple Pay. Before you can send money, you need to ensure that Apple Pay is set up on your device. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Open the Wallet app. Add a card. Tap the sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. Follow the prompts, enter your card information, or use your camera to scan your card. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. Enable Apple Pay Cash. Ensure Apple Pay Cash is set up. This can be done by going to Settings, Wallet, Apple Pay Cash, and following the setup instructions. Sending money using Apple Pay. Once Apple Pay is set up, you can easily send money through the Messages app. Open Messages, start a new conversation, or open an existing one with the person you want to send money to. Tap the Apple Pay button in the app drawer below the text box. Tap the Apple Pay button. It looks like a black circle with the Apple logo and the word Pay. Enter the amount. Use the plus and minus buttons to enter the amount you wish to send.